Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. In today's video we're going to take a look at Binance. They are banning certain users from their trading platform. So we're going to dig into that, wash up with my thoughts and opinions. It will be a short, snappy video. If you like this sort of content, mash that like button, subscribe, tap that bell, select all the notifications so you never miss awesome content. Right, let's get down to the desktop. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we are. Binance bans users in Singapore from trading crypto as the country tightens its clampdown on the exchange. And this is something that we've had sort of throughout Europe and other parts of the world, right? So it comes as no surprise. However, I would say before we sort of dig into this article that Binance have increased the size of their compliance team and are working tirelessly to comply with all local laws in all of the areas in which they operate. So, we think this will be short-lived, but, in the meantime, until they get everything sort of lined up and in order, I think we're going to have a bit of short-term volatility. So let's get into this. So Binance announced on Monday that users of its main platform in Singapore will no longer be permitted to buy and sell cryptocurrencies beginning October 26th. This is amid the tightening and the clampdown, as they keep articulating it, on digital asset platforms. The announcement comes as the cryptocurrency exchange also said it's no longer accepting registrations from Chinese mobile phones or numbers after Beijing banned crypto transactions. Again, more bans from China. They're banning crypto again. In Singapore, Binance.com users will not be allowed to access certain functionalities such as fiat deposit services, spot trading of cryptocurrencies, the purchase of cryptocurrencies through fiat channels, and liquid swap. Users, Binance said, are encouraged to cease all related trades, withdraw fiat assets, and redeem tokens to avoid potential trading disputes. So, this is something that, we've seen this in other parts of the world, Australia, throughout Europe, the UK. For me, this isn't come as a surprise. We do think that Binance are a huge company. They're able to comply. It's just going to take some time to sort of get around some of the the regulations, and some of these regulators aren't the fastest of movers. I know this, working in an insurance company before doing this, and having to have interactions with the likes of the FCA and BaFin, for example, over in Germany. So, for me, this is, going to take some time. But I guess the reassurances are there from Binance in the respect that we know they've increased their compliance team and they're working around the clock to resolve these matters. So we expect these all to be resolved in the long term. In the meantime, just expect some volatility, I guess, in the markets, with the China FUD, as well as, some of the restrictions around Binance. It does kind of feel like when we were back in May, just before that, huge retrace, dump, crash, or however you want to articulate it, it feels, from a sentiment and news article perspective, that we're right back in May where we were just before the dump, right? And if we do crash at some point, mainly because of all this FUD in the news, just know that this is the big players, the institutions leading this. These people own a lot of these outlets that distribute the news, and for me it'll be an opportunity to buy the dip, and it will be short-lived, and we will still go on in this bull cycle to higher highs, right? And this is just an opportunity for people to, I guess institutions to shake some of the retail investors out that are not used to these massive swings in the market. So, with all that said, let me know in the comments below what your thoughts and opinions are. We really do appreciate those, and I love reading and replying to as many as I can, so I will do that. And with that said, if you like this sort of content, mash that like button, subscribe, tap that bell, select all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.